Hey there! Let's talk about turning your place into a dream pad without draining your bank account. Here comes the superhero of affordable renovations, Bodaq Interior Film. What is Bodaq? It's a self-adhesive high-end interior finish. You can choose from 450 patterns like solid, wood, marble, stone, metal, leather, and many more. Choosing materials like marble, terrazzo, or concrete can be pricey, but with Bodaq films, you get that stylish look without the big expense. Let's talk about easy peeling, sticking, and your space just got a serious upgrade. No more dealing with the mess and stress of traditional materials. And now let's see the after part. As you can see, you can refinish almost any surface, combining different patterns without breaking the bank. Don't be afraid to install Bodaq in kitchens as the films are waterproof and Class A fire rated. Bodaq perfectly replicates original materials. The leather pattern looks and feels natural with no harm to animals. Don't be afraid about durability. With proper care, the film can last for 15+ years. Can you imagine that the whole space was refinished by only 2 installers in less than 3 weeks? The savings were tremendous.